start in a few seconds. I need to get ready. Okay, start.
With the music, I'm doing a newscast, okay? Thank you.
Breaking news. I'm Lisa Scott reporting on Save the Animal Planet. The Sumatran Orangutan is threatened and critically endangered. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Hail the Lord, I'm in depression. No worries, Dr. Silvic will be coming and talking to us today about the Sumatran orangutan. We'll learn about it and protect it. Dr. Silvic?
I will be talking about the Sumatran orangutan. So, basically...
Orangutans are...
Lisa, you told me to talk about this part. Anyways, to get into statistics, the Sumatran orangutan's scientific classification is Pongo Bell. So, generally, the Sumatran orangutan, his lifespan is about 35 to 40 years. And the size is 4 to 5 feet and...
What are you doing, Newsface? This is a newscast.
Oh, sorry, I forgot what to say. Yeah, the weight is about 66 to 198 pounds.
Thank you, Dr. Silvic. Can you explain the feature of the Sumatran orangutan?
Sure thing. The orangutans have big bulky bodies and long arms, a large head, and also very small bowed legs, and no tail. Plus, they're also covered in long, reddish brown hair. Can I get a drink of water?
No, later. Talk.
Oh. I don't have anything else to say. Can you take over?
Yeah, anyways, big strong human like orangutans getting endangered? Weird, huh? Anyways, the habitat they lived in Sumatra. I visited there and I actually saw an actual orangutan. Based on what I saw, they're secondary consumers because the food they eat is fruit, leaves, seeds, tree bark, plant bulbs, plant shoots, flowers, insects, and small animals. That's a variety of food. Also, I met with animal investigators and I learned how orangutans are important in the ecosystem. They're important because orangutans are fugivores. If they would disappear, so would several tree species. And they play a vital role in the spread of seeds over a huge area. Less trees, no good.
Thank you. Where were we?
Survival.
Okay, to show how orangutans survive.
Add excitement.
Okay, they survive in many different ways, for humane or protection of food. For protection, orangutans have long arms, like I said, and they are able to swing from tree to tree to escape many predators and hunters. And it's also pretty fun. For food, they have hands like ours to grab food and to eat it easily. Smart little orangutans. Anyways, when it comes to competition, they don't really compete for food or space at all. Thanks, Lisa. Back to you.
Thank you, Dr. Silvic. And in 2 minutes, we're going to be welcoming the Help the Endangered Species group to talk to us about the current situation. Hello guys, I have some questions about the conservation status. Okay. Nisha, what is the population of the orangutan? 7,300. Also, is it endangered or critically endangered? Critically endangered. Okay, thank you, Nisha. And now, Andy, what are the threats to survival?
Well, the threats to survival is restoration, commercial development, food addiction, aqua and agriculture, and also pollution and taking over roads, transportation, considers conditions, biological resources, and mainly what bothers me, human intrusion, cutting down trees, and disturbance, and finally natural system management. That's a lot. Back to you, Lisa.
Thank you, Andy. I agree, that's a lot. What are you guys doing to save the orangutan?
Well, there are many organizations like us to stop pulp and paper or cigar events and clearing a large portion of natural forests.
Poor orangutans, they're losing their home, and other animals too.
Yes, also conserve the glass strands in the forest of Sumatra.
Thank you, Dr. Silvic, Nisha, and Andy for talking to us about the Sumatran orangutan. So you heard it, folks. Hope you learned something about the orangutan and you know